They've got one feature in this particular funding model that absolutely kills other funding models. I like their model so much that I maxed out their whole prop firm. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm here in beautiful South Africa in Bantry Bay, Cape Town, and today I'm going to be having a look at something very interesting. All right, I'm going to be having a look at a prop firm. They're not new, okay, but they've changed a lot of things, so they may as well be completely new. And to be very honest with you, I'm actually kind of blown away by what they've offered in their offering, in terms of what there is out there to compare it with, and what you get for your value for money when you are entering into a contract with this particular prop firm. Okay, and so today we're going to be having a look at Blue Guardian. Okay, they used to be called Blue Guardian Capital, but they've recently rebranded and now they go by Blue Guardian. Their whole website's been redone. Their whole funding model has been redone as well, so it's super interesting. We're going to have a look at all of the pluses, the negatives, everything. I'm going to go through everything in a very level-headed manner. I'm not going to be sugarcoating anything. We're going to check through all of the different rules that they have, if they allow copy trading, if they allow you to use EAs, what their drawdown is calculated on, if it's equity or balance based. We're going to have a look at all of those different things in this video, so make sure to watch through the whole video if you are looking to get into a really good prop firm that I've recognized. And to be very honest, guys, this might just be one of the best prop firms out there right now, to be very honest with you. I know I've said that in the past, but I've looked at this now and I'm seriously blown away. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to have a look at all of the different facets of this prop firm. I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on their full funding model. All right, so we're now on the Blue Guardian website. I must say, I really like their branding. I really like their overall aesthetic in general. This whole castle theme and color scheme is pretty sick, and their whole website now has been redone to look really slick and very done up. Again, like I said in one of my other videos, they have their Discord right at the top of the page. This is a big deal because, again, having a community to join to get firstly support, all right, secondly, to be able to resolve any issues or have any queries on products that you might have. This being here is quite a big deal because a lot of companies kind of hide this on their website. So for me, that's a big tick. Obviously, getting started is really easy. They've been featured in all of these different publications. So again, that reinforces a lot of the trust that I have in this particular prop firm. Again, all of the different animations on this website are super slick. You can scroll between all of the different funding programs. So they allow funding from between 10 to 200,000. And I did have a chat to the CEO before this, clarifying a lot of different issues or queries that I had. And guys, I'm really impressed with this prop firm. They've really stepped up. I honestly think this might be one of the best prop firms out there right now. I'm not even joking. The reason for this, guys, if you look at the rules, we're going to go through all of the rules, but I'm seriously impressed. And they've got one feature in this particular funding model that absolutely kills other funding models. I'm not joking. It absolutely kills. Okay, and there's a few other things as well that you need to understand when it comes to Blue Guardian as a prop firm. So again, you can get from $10,000 to $200,000, okay, in funding. Now, when I spoke to the CEO, he told me that you can have up to 400,000, so you can have two 200Ks or four 400Ks maximum. But it does scale. I believe it scales to 2 million. So they give you 30%. I believe it's every. We'll have a look later, but I believe it's every 3 or 4 months. If you make an average of 4% per month, they will scale you 30% every 3 or 4 month period. We'll double check on that down the line. So as you can see, phase 1, okay, so I'm using the 200k as an example. The 200k, again, let's have a look at the rules, right? So you actually have 40 days to pass. Now, I've spoken about this with other prop firms as well. A couple others have unlimited passing time. Another I reviewed had 50 days. This has 40 days, which I think is really reasonable for the other options, the other advantages you have with this prop firm as well. 40 days is actually really insanely good, because it's better than 30. The other thing you have to remember is that when it comes to trading period, most firms give you 30 days, but you have to understand that some of those are going to be high impact news days. You can't trade them. And then, there's holidays, you can't trade because there's no volume. Then obviously there's weekends. So in actuality, the 30 days that they give you is actually only 20 or 21. This way, with 40 days, you're actually getting closer to 30 actual trading days, which is really great. So I really like that. Minimum trading days is 5 days. That's okay. I mean, we're not in a rush to finish prop firms. Profit target 8%. This is pretty bang on with lots of other prop firms and their goals. Maximum loss 10%. That's also pretty damn good. We've had a look at other prop firms that offer 12%. That's cool and all, but to be honest, 10% is more than enough. Some only offer 8%. Okay, and so 10% compared to others is actually really good. So max daily loss is 4%. Okay, a little bit less than certain other firms. However, guys, if you're actually risk managing, this doesn't really matter. If you're taking 1% trades per day, you're only really going to be taking 2 or 3 trades in a day. Okay, risking 1%, you should not lose more than 4%. If you do, then you really shouldn't be managing funded capital in any case. The leverage is 1 to 100. That is on the money. That's what you need. Now here is one of those showstopper characteristics of Blue Guardian as a prop firm. They have an 85% profit split from the get-go. Okay, so 85% profit split from the get-go. That is absolutely mind-blowing. Like, I can't really think of any prop firm offhand that has an 85% profit split from day one. Okay, that's really that really puts them apart from even some of the biggest prop firms in the game right now, and that is a really big deal for me. Okay, there's a few other things that we need to chat about that also really stands out to me with this firm, and they're not always things that are like on the front of the prop firm. So stay tuned to listen to those advantages, because I really think if you take advantage of these specific rules of this prop firm, it'll make you getting funded a lot easier and being consistent a lot easier, and staying profitable. Now the fees as well, pretty much on par with other prop firms, really good. I mean, $1,000 pretty much for a 200k, 100k close to $500. That's pretty much the standard. However, guys, in the description below, I'm going to be leaving a promo code for 10% off. So the 200k with the promo code, you're going to be paying about $900, which is actually really good value for money. Like, I don't know of any combination of promo codes that can get you to $900 for a 200k account, which is really good. The 100k account is going to cost you you're going to basically pay less, $50. So you're going to be paying about $470 for that, which is actually really pretty darn good, to be very honest with you. Obviously, the fee is refundable once you pass and get your first withdrawal. However, guys, there is something else that I have to mention to you, okay, that we'll get to in a little bit. Okay, you've got phase 1, obviously same thing. You reach your targets, don't violate any of the rules, don't go below the 4% daily and 10% max drawdown. You've got a 40-day trading period, which is also really, really good. So you don't really have to rush. It's not unlimited. However, 40 days is more than enough, guys. You don't really want to be spending more than 40 days anyways. Okay. And then once you are funded, you get 85% profit split. However, guys, one of the most important things to look at when you are looking at prop firms is, when do I get my withdrawal? Okay. Now, this is the key to being profitable with this particular prop firm, and why I'm so attracted to the offer that they have. Okay, you sign up, receive your login, start your evaluation, finish the evaluation, then you get your live account. Okay, once you pass, you get your live account. With most prop firms, guys, you're waiting 30 days, 30 full days before you get your withdrawal. Now, this is all well and good. Okay, now the problem with that is, in those 30 days, those prop firms are waiting for you to mess up. They're waiting for you to blow their account. They're waiting for you to become unprofitable, and they're waiting for you to mess up so they don't have to pay you, essentially. Whereas with Blue Guardian, you've got 14 days. Okay, that's half the time. You can have your money in 14 days. You can have your refund in 14 days. So once you have passed your evaluation, you will receive your funded account and get payouts bi-weekly if profitable. So in 14 days, you get your first withdrawal. The profit split for all Guardian traders is set an industry-leading 85%. Okay, again, that's huge. Guardian traders can request payout on demand via the dashboard. The payout can be processed just 14 days after you have passed. You can process your payout anytime after your payout date. Okay. And then obviously you can withdraw via crypto. They also go via Coinbase, PayPal, Payoneer, Revolut, and then obviously Deal is one of the biggest standards. Most people are using that nowadays to process their payouts. And then the other biggie, guys, okay, Guardian Protector. Now, Guardian Protector is the biggest part of this prop firm that really stands out to other prop firms. This prop firm, okay, has an equity protector built in, okay, that you can set up on the dashboard that allows you to put a safety net in so that you will not hit your daily drawdown limit again, ever. You just click the button and it's on, okay? It stops you from hitting that drawdown limit. You can set it at maybe 3.5% drawdown. So if you make a mistake, if you calculate your lot size wrong, if you size into a position incorrectly, yes, you were just wanting to risk maybe 2%, but in actuality it doubled the lots, or you put in too many lots, you can just turn on your Guardian Protector and it's going to protect you in the case that you make a mistake. And that is huge, guys, because bearing in mind other prop firms really rely on you messing up in this particular way. I mean, I can think of times that I've messed up accounts specifically because I miscalculated lot size, or I don't realize that I have multiple positions open and their entire equity that's running, their risk that's running is higher than the max daily loss, and I overlook this, or I miscalculated by just a little bit. Guardian Protector protects you from this, okay? You won't have your daily drawdown, you won't have your max daily, you won't have your max drawdown hit. It protects you from that happening, and this is huge. No other prop firm puts this kind of technology into place to protect their traders, okay? And that's obviously because they want you to lose, and certain prop firms really do actually want you to succeed, and that's why I'm showing you guys prop firms like Blue Guardian, because they're really good, okay? So again, with the Guardian Protector, you'll never ever have to worry about hitting your daily loss limit again. Our optional built-in equity protector allows traders to limit the amount they can lose in a day and ensure they stay comfortable and protected. We even offer the choice to block trading until tomorrow to stop you over trading. Now that's also freaking awesome. Okay, the tool can be found in the dashboard, and seriously, it's a really amazing thing, guys. So essentially, there's more information here on Blue Guardian. So your model has the Blue Guardian model has the most competitive and realistic targets in the market. Okay, the target is 8%, and that's better than 10% that other firms have. Okay, so guys, they have no trading restrictions whatsoever. Okay, you can literally use whatever you want. EAs, trade copiers, trade news, whatever you want. You can use martingale, you can use hedging, anything like that. Okay, obviously you can't use any kind of arbitrage or HFT because that's just pure cheating. The scaling plan. Okay, so this I spoke about earlier. I was correct. Okay, so if you average 4% over a 3-month period, you can have your account scaled, and it goes all the way up to $2 million in 30% increments. That's also really good. Now again, the bi-weekly payout that I spoke about earlier, you can have your profits. You can have your profits every 14 days rather than having to wait a full 30 days. That's also really, really great. So that is about it. Let's go into the FAQ and have a look at some of the frequently asked questions. Okay, EAs are allowed. You may use EAs that you set up to suit your own strategy or trading style. Trade copiers are also allowed. Okay, that's also a biggie because I use trade copiers to link all of my accounts. The minimum trading days is 5 days. We've spoken about this, phase 1 and phase 2. You must place at least one trade each day. They don't have to be consecutive. Okay. The max lot limit, there is no max lot limit. You can use whatever lot size you want as long as it is obviously within the leverage. They have no consistency or hidden rules whatsoever. They allow hedging, they allow martingale, and they allow you to trade without stop loss as well. So they really let you do whatever you want. Okay, traders get 85% profit split. Copy trading, all right, copy trading. You're allowed to copy between Blue Guardian accounts, okay, and you're allowed to copy from funded to evaluation accounts. Okay, you're also allowed to copy between Blue Guardian and external accounts as well. So just don't, obviously copy somebody else's trades onto your account, basically. You can hold trades over the weekend, and you can hold trades overnight. They allow cryptocurrency as well over the weekend, so you can trade crypto over the weekend. They've got MT4 and MT5. The leverage is 1 to 100. Indices is 1 to 50, and gold and commodities is 1 to 20. Okay, so one other thing I want to go over is the daily drawdown. Okay, so your daily drawdown limit. Okay. So the maximum daily loss is based on 4% of the initial account balance. Okay, they calculate this drawdown every 5 p.m. EST. Okay, every 5 p.m. EST it will reset. Okay, and you can actually see that they're going to calculate it based off of balance or equity, whichever is higher. So you need to be careful. This is similar to my Forex funds. So if you're holding trades overnight and your position is in, for example, a $4,000 profit, be very careful. If this is a 100K account and you're in a 4,000 or 4% profit, and 5 p.m. EST comes along and then your profit goes back down to break even, you technically have lost 4% in that trading day and your account will be violated. So be very careful with this, guys. If you need more of a explanation, it is right here in these examples, and hopefully it'll help you understand all of those rules. In summary, guys, I would really recommend this prop firm. It's actually ridiculous how good the rules are. The 85% profit split, firstly, is a really, really big deal, because I don't know of any other prop firm that allows you to get an 85% profit split right off the bat like this. Most of the others start at about 75, so that's really big. Secondly, okay, you've got 14 days till you get paid once you get your funded account. Other prop firms make you wait 30 days so that you either blow the account or violate any of their rules. Okay, and psychologically, 14 days, 2 weeks is way easier to get your payout. It gives you a significantly higher chance of being profitable and making money with this prop firm. And thirdly, the Guardian Protector is absolutely, like, it's banging. I'm not even going to lie to you. I don't know who came up with this idea, but it's a seriously amazing feature of this prop firm, because it's going to stop you from hitting your daily drawdown limit. Okay, it's built in. It's literally a feature to help you be successful in this prop firm, and there's not a lot of prop firms that are trying to help you be successful. So this is a really big deal. So basically, that's it, guys. Like I say, there's a 10% discount code in the description below. It is GAR Trades, all in capital letters. There's a link below that you can click on and you get 10% off. Okay, and that really is a significant amount of savings on these accounts. So I suggest that you use that code when you're getting an account. Now, in summary, guys, I'm going to be starting a $400,000 evaluation with Blue Guardian. I like their model so much that I maxed out their whole prop firm. Okay, so I'm literally going to be doing that over the next few weeks. I'm going to be taking my time. It's 40 days. So we're going to be seeing how that goes. We're going to see how, if I can pass it and withdraw some profits for you guys. I'm still ongoing with my other evaluations and I'll update you on that very shortly. But I'm really, really excited to get started with Blue Guardian. Their rules are really great, and I think that it will be a really good journey with them. So that's about it from me, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I really can't wait to get started with this evaluation, and I'll update you guys on my other social medias. My Instagram is in the description below. You can follow my journey there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Cheers. Have a good one.